Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating the Apple ID that becomes your iCloud account. On iPhone or iPad, open Settings and tap Sign In, then select Create Apple ID Now. Enter your full name and date of birth, provide an email or phone number, and choose a strong password you'll remember. You'll set security questions and accept Apple's terms. Once done, verify the account via the code sent to your email or phone so your Apple ID is active and ready for iCloud. Now you enable the core iCloud services. Go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud and toggle the apps you want to sync, photos, contacts, calendars, notes, and so on, so your data stays consistent across devices. Turn on iCloud Backup to backup device settings and app data automatically, and enable iCloud Drive to store files. Make sure to check your storage usage. The free 5 GB often fills up quickly, so make sure to upgrade your plan if you need more space. Finish by signing into iCloud on your other devices so everything syncs. Enable Find My to protect and locate devices, then force a manual iCloud backup to create an immediate restore point. Afterward, check that photos, contacts, and files appear on another signed-in device. Make sure your payment method is set if you upgraded storage. If something goes wrong, verification fails, or syncing stalls, sign out of iCloud, restart the device. Confirm your Apple ID credentials and Wi-Fi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.